Welcome back to my channel. Let's crochet this cute little pumpkin applique. This is perfect for your Halloween projects, quick, easy, and fun. Now first, make a magic ring with pumpkin color. Then, make a 1 chain. Now, make a 10 half double crochet in the ring. Look. Half double crochet, after making 10 half double crochet, now close the ring and tighten it and join with a slip stitch in the first half double crochet like this. Now for row 2, make 1 chain, first half double crochet that we make a slip stitch in same stitch, make a 1 single crochet. And look, now going to next stitch, making 1 half double crochet and 1 normal double crochet in same stitch. Next, make a 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Next, again, next stitch, making 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Next stitch, 1 double crochet and again in same stitch 1 half double crochet. Next stitch, 2 single crochet. Next stitch, 1 half double crochet and 1 double crochet in same stitch. Next stitch, 2 double crochet in same stitch, and next 2 double crochet in same stitch again, next, and next 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet. Before we gathering the half double crochet 3 loops, look at the end, the green yarn to make a stem, and look, gathering from through the all 3 loops, and now with the green yarn make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Look, now we can cut the orange yarn and we're going to continue with our green yarn. Now make a 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and a slip stitch into the, look, second chain like this, and again going to the first chain, make a slip stitch, and going to the, look, the stitches, make a slip stitch. Now we can cut it the yarn. Here you can cut the yarn longer if you want to sew this pumpkin applique on the something. Now our applique is ready. Now I'm going to hide the extra yarns like this and cut them. Cut the extra yarns. Now our little cute pumpkin applique is ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial too. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for